2007 GMC Denali Yukon. He brought it in about 3 weeks ago. We put it on the channel already. It had that Flow FX. He really loved the sound, but you know how that goes. It was too loud. So he brought it back and brought his own muffler. I guess he done a bunch of research, and he put this muffler on it, 14151 MAGNAFLOW. We'll see if we can get a link in the description for it. He wanted it a little bit quieter to tame it down a little bit because it's cammed and everything. I got high flow cats and everything like that. So this is the MAGNAFLOW 14151. It's supposed to drone less, and then it's 3-inch pipe all the way back, and he also kept the resonator on it, and you know, stock tailpipe. So there it is. That's what it looks like. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's a lot, Jake. Sound decibels? Okay. Can't beat that idle, man. You cannot beat that cab. Let you guys hear on the inside. GMC Yukon DENALI. Yeah.
You know what? Bring me get that. I'm telling you.
Bring it in.
I'll be like,
It'll make a good video.
no. I say, damn.